Once you have generated the results and selected any information you want to show, we can begin to export. So if we now click on export on the top here, you'll be given a range of export options. For this heat loss example, the only exports we are interested in will be the PDF export and the heat load report. So let's begin by looking at the PDF export first. So if we just click export next to PDF, we will be taken to this preview screen. Now don't worry if the grid lines used for sheet alignment are showing on your PDF export. They won't actually show when you do export the document. And first off, we can click and drag to fit and suit the page should you wish. You can change the paper size here, like so, and you can also change the scale size to best fit your page, and move and position until you're happy. Not only can you change the paper size and the scale in the left hand box here, you can also change the level of detail to make the information look a bit better or look a bit bigger if you desire. You can also change the annotation size if you've added any annotations, and you can also change the PDF transparency to either completely remove the PDF or make the PDF a lot more visible. You can also decide if you want to include a cover sheet, and if you look on the right bar here, we can see the same filter options from results. So again, you can add more information should you desire. And at the bottom here, you can choose to have a horizontal, vertical or no title block at all, which will show your company and drawing information, like so. And once you are happy with everything, you can click export this single level or export all levels. You can also see here, we can switch between the levels to modify as and when needed. So again, once you're happy with everything, click export here and these will download to your computer. I'm going to press cancel for now. So if I move over to export again, and this time we will look at the heat load reports. So if we now click on export here next to the heat load reports, we will be greeted with this screen where you can choose to separate the documents or combine them all into one. That's completely up to you. That'll just mean any document that you select down here will either be its own document or in one big file. You can choose whether you would like them in Word, PDF or both, and you can select the document you want. So for this example, as we've only done heat loss calculations, we can turn off things like the heat pump, the heat emitter, domestic hot water demand, as the only thing I'm really interested in this example is the materials of the room and the heat loss calculations. Once you're happy with all the documents selected, you can click export here and it will come through as a zip file to your downloads.